Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, did you all read the lesson yesterday about the berry trees? I told you all page number 36. Today we will continue with page number 37. We will continue the lesson. So what did we read? What did we understand in yesterday's lesson? I hope you remember. Yes, we were talking about 3 berry trees. In Delhi, there were one banyan tree was there, one orange tree was there, and there were 3 berry trees. And there 3 naughty boys we were talking about. What were their names? What were their names? Their name was Ravi, Ali and John. What type of boys were they? They were mischief, naughty boys. What did they do? They were throwing stones on the berry trees and they were plucking the raw berry trees. And who did not like this? 2 girls were cycling. What were their names? Hema and Jyoti. They did not like the boys throwing stones and hurting the trees. So what did they say to them? Don't do this. And what did the boys tell? Told ki you mind your own business and do your own work. We will do whatever we want. Till here we did this lesson and I hope you did the reading. Let's continue with the next part of the story. So take out page number 37, all of you. Let's continue with the story from the boys. The boys continue to throw stones and have fun in hurting the trees. So the boys did not listen to the girls. They continued throwing stones and hurting the trees. What is hurting? Chot pahunchana. Trees ko chot pahunchaya. Okay. The banyan tree and the orange tree look at the poor berry trees being hurt. They decide to help the berry trees. So there were, I told you, 1 orange tree and banyan tree were there and 3 berry trees. They were looking at the berry trees. These boys are throwing stones and hurting. They were feeling sad and they decided to somehow help the trees, help the berry trees. Who decided to help? The orange tree and the banyan tree. Decided to help who? The berry trees. He decided to help the berry trees. As Ali picks up another stone, the banyan tree stretches out few of its roots. Then as Ali picks out another stone, the banyan tree stretches out few of its roots. It pulls the boys and ties them to its stem. The orange tree pulls out a few ripe oranges and throws at the boys. Squash, splosh, and the oranges smash on the faces of Ravi, Ali and John. The boys look at the trees in horror. The banyan tree then says, "So you think we do not have life? See how it feels when you throw stones at us. At least we are showing mercy by throwing fruits at you." So what happened? How did they help? They helped the tree when they throw the stones. The orange tree pulls out few ripe oranges. The banyan tree stretches out few of its roots. It stretches few roots and tied it to these boys. And the oranges fall and the rest and the juice of oranges fall on their face with all the juice and all. So it says, what do you think? We don't have life. One tree tied it and other tree throwed orange and bet it on the face. So they told, what do you think? We don't have life. We also have life and we can also save other trees by doing all these things. But we are not so merciless. What is mercy? MERCY. Mercy is show forgiveness. We are still doing mercy on you. We are forgiving you and we are just throwing the juice on your face and we are not throwing stones. We are forgiving. Mercy is maaf kar dena. Mercy is maaf kar dena. Naughty is badly behaved. The one who behaves very badly. So this is how the trees say. The orange tree adds Yet just because we stand quietly and provide you with fruits and shade, it doesn't mean that we don't have life. Like you grow from a child to an adult, we also grow from a plant to a tree. What does the orange tree say? Orange tree say, just stand quietly and provide. Yes, just because we stand quietly and provide you with fruits and shade, don't think that we do not have life, but we also have life in us. You grow from a child to an adult. We grow from a plant to a tree. As you are small, you will become big adult. We also, when we are small, we are a plant, and when we grow, we become a tree. The orange tree explains this to the boys. The boys feel bad, and after this, what happens? The boys, they feel bad for their behavior, what they did. We are sorry for hurting the berry trees. We shall never do it again. Please forgive us. What does the boys say? Boys say sorry to the trees for their behavior. Say this. They say, hey, we are very sorry for hurting the berry trees. Please forgive us. Now turn your pages, children. Take out page number 38. Yes. Ravi and John also say, yes, we are sorry too. Please let us go. Then Ravi and John also say that they are sorry, and the banyan tree, what did she do? She, excuse me, they tied them, say, please leave us, untie them. The banyan tree looks at them in anger and says, not so easily, my boys. First you have to say sorry to berry trees and clean all the mess around them. Then you have to water the trees and take care of them until the rest of the fruits on the trees are ripe and purple. If you don't do this, we will tell all the trees in the city to catch you wherever you go and throw their fruits on you. So, what does the tree tell? Ki no, so easily hum tumko nahi maaf karne wale hain. You have to, now you throw stones and you did mistake, now you have to pay for it. What you have to do? You have to take care. What all the leaves and branches, first of all you clean all that, and daily you have to come and water the trees till they are ripe. Now they are, in the month of December, what are they? Raw. And when you pour water and all, after that they get ripe. So till they are ripe, you have to take care of the trees. And if you don't do so, what are they going to do? It will tell all the trees around to catch you and throw fruits on you and punish you. This was their punishment. So it told that you have to do all these things. Let's see what's happened. The boys say, no, please don't do that. We will do as you say. So what does the boys say? No, don't give us any punishment. We will do as you say. Whatever you are saying, we will do. We'll take care of the trees. The boys got scared. So what is scared? Afraid. Yeah. As soon as the banyan trees unties the boys and lets them go, Ravi, Ali and John go near the berry tree. They say sorry to the injured trees. They clean the mess they made around the berry trees. And as soon as the banyan tree unties and leaves them, what did they do? They go to the berry tree and they say sorry, we'll not do it again. And they cleaned all the thing, what the mess they made over. What is mess? Mess is all the thing what they did dirty all around, what that they did, that is the mess. They cleaned everything there and they took care of the banyan trees. Since then every day the boys would water the trees and take care of them. When other naughty children would come to pluck the berries, the three boys would stop them. John would say to the naughty children, allow the berries to ripen. Let them become purple and juicy. Then you can eat them. Ali would say, do not damage the trees. Let the berries ripen until the end of January. So what happened? First they used to do that, but Now they are taking care. If other boys come and throw stones or do all that, they were not allowing the other boys also to do that. And they were taking care of the trees and asking them, they were asking the other children, don't do that, let the berries get ripened. Unko kache se pakne do. Don't pluck and don't throw stones and don't do all the mess over here. It is the end of January. So what, this was started in December. Now it is the end of January. The berry trees look healthier and happier now. How were the berry trees looking? Healthier and happier. Because they were getting nice water and food, so they became very healthy. If you also eat properly and have proper food, you also become healthy. Same way, if trees also get proper food and water, trees also become healthy. So berry trees became healthy. The berries are ripe. By January month, they are now ripe. Pak gaye now. The banyan tree would lift Ali, Ravi and John with its strong roots and take them closer to the berry trees. The boys would pluck the berries and put them in the basket. Next day, all the children would come and eat them. So now banyan tree helped the boys to pluck the berries by its roots, and the boys plucked it and kept them, and all the boys, see in the picture how happily they are eating all the berries. So they worked hard for that, and now they are enjoying the ripened fruits. So it's a very nice lesson, children. Read this lesson and understand it properly, and then underline the difficult words and learn the new words. So today's homework, you are going to read the lesson and understand it. Okay? And we'll continue with the exercise in the next class. Till then, take care. Goodbye. God bless you all.